Sheesh, what's up, y'all, man? Fuck. Another fucking day, man. I was taking my truck to get fixed. I was gonna have the oil filter or oil change, fuel injectors change, and oil pressure sensor change. But now I got this, so I'm gonna have them look at it when we get there. Hopefully it's a small fix, man, but we'll see. Vaco, baby. Woo! What's up, y'all? Just got the old truck back. Runs good. Just got the old truck back. You see that gauge right there? That one on top. That's the transmission sensor was out on that, and that's why the tow haul was coming on. Why the tow haul light was coming on, check engine light was coming on. So I got it fixed. I got it probably 6 months from now. Got to replace the headers on the fuel injectors. He said 3 of them are going out, so we'll get this shit taken care of, man.